Good day, everyone. Welcome to the Philippines, an archipelago of over 7,600 islands. Join us as we embark on this unforgettable journey where each destination is a story waiting to be told. The Philippine flag is a symbol of the nation's history, freedom, and patriotism. Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. is the 17th President of the Republic of the Philippines. There are three main islands of the Philippines, which is Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. There are eight regions in Luzon, three in Visayas, and six in Mindanao. So, the country is divided into 17 regions. There are two official languages in the Philippines, which is Filipino and English. There are five Filipino foods you must try: kwek-kwek, isaw barbecue, adobo, pinakbet, and halo-halo.
Tara na sa Pangasinan. Pangasinan is a coastal province in the Philippines located in the region of Luzon. Its capital is Lingayen, while San Carlos City is the most populous. Pangasinan is in the western area of Luzon along Lingayen Gulf and the South China Sea. The Pangasinan means the place of salt or place of salt making. It is derived from the prefix pang, meaning for, the root word asin, meaning salt, and suffix an, signifying location. The province is a major producer of salt in the Philippines. Its major products include bagoong or shrimp paste and alamang or salted krill in English. Popular tourist attractions in Pangasinan include the Hundred Islands, in Alaminos, the white sand beaches of Bolinao and Dasol.
9,000 miles from Santa Fe College, Florida, sits Urdaneta City University, a premier public institution nestled within the flourishing lands of Pangasinan. With a strong commitment to academic excellence and community service, we at UCU offer a wide range of programs, one of which is the College of Teacher Education. Our facilities and dedicated faculty ensure that students receive hands on learning and the skills they need to thrive in today's competitive world. The College of Teacher Education and the Matwizard Federation assure that every student under our wing shall receive exceptional treatment regarding their education. Yet, not content with the mere accumulation of knowledge, UC Scholar endeavor to uplift the community, extending a hand of service and compassion to those in need, thus embodying the virtues of both intellect and heart. Let me give you a quick tour of our university. We have the common facilities such as the gymnasiums, libraries, laboratories, and classroom buildings. A lot of classroom buildings. I hope you had a glimpse insight of our country, our region, and our university. Thank you for listening.